Alright guys, I just filmed this whole video and I just viewed a clip at the end and then I realized that I had hot sauce pretty much all over my face the entire video. Go ahead, roast me in the comments, I don't even care, just don't be a dick, okay? Anyways, enjoy this video. Alright, we got the water, we got the coffee, and we are ready to roll. Today is a great day because I got my stimulus check yesterday and I was just feeling really good. I was really productive all day. I filmed like 3 videos. I gave myself a nice little fade, got the haircut. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys think that I should continue with the slick back look like I've been doing, or go with like the old school like Justin Bieber look like I'm doing right now. I was just kind of messing around today. I was like, oh, maybe this is what I used to do when I was like 22 years old or so, and then I started going more of the like hair to the side thing. Oh my god, my chickens somehow escaped the fence. Okay, so I gotta get these chickens back in because there's obviously coyotes that kill them. God damn it. Okay, be right back. Hey fuckers, didn't you learn your lesson? Come on. Herding the chickens. So this is how I herd the chickens, because they're obsessed with bananas. Look, you guys are behaving, so you guys get the first bananas. See, it doesn't really matter if I have a fence up, because freaking chickens fly, so they're just gonna fly over the fence anyways. So there's not much I can do. Like, if they want to die, they're gonna die. I like to run all the way down here and then go into these bushes right over here. And yeah, that is where the 2 chickens were killed. So I don't know what I can really do. You know, chickens are dumb as shit. They don't even understand that their friend just got killed in there, and they continue to go over there. So it doesn't even make sense to me. This is why chickens are like literally the ultimate prey animal, because they are dumb as a rock. Oh well. Anyway, so today I'm actually not doing any DoorDash today, but I figured I would take you guys along for a ride. So we ended up going with a different embroiderer person, so I dropped off these MMA shorts so Tony Ferguson and I are working with this guy named Tommy. It's Tony's like main partner, and I'm sponsoring him for his upcoming fight. And long story short, I tried to make his shorts up here, but we don't have the sponsors all done yet, and it's probably better for them to just be made in California. So I'm gonna I feel bad because I dropped off the shorts and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna give you money. So anyways, I'm gonna give this embroider guy some work because I feel like he was super stoked when I came in, and I was gonna give him like $300 to make us shorts. And then I don't want to like take that away from him, so I'm gonna have him make us some more off-axis hats, so that way he's happy and I'm not like taking work away from him. But, you know, there's nothing worse than like giving someone something awesome and they're like super stoked. And like this guy was telling me about how bad his business was doing right now, because obviously there's no live sports, so there's no like there's no embroidering and stuff going on really. So I just felt bad, and like my business is doing fine, to be honest. It's doing much better than it was before, so might as well kind of like share the love and like give this guy some work, because he seemed like a good dude. So I am headed up there to pick up the shorts, and then I'm gonna go skating, scootering, BMX, whatever. My friend is invited me over. He's got a ramp in the backyard, so we're gonna, honestly, I never ride anymore, and it's crazy because I made a living off of essentially doing tricks on scooters for about 13 years, somewhere between 10 to 13 years, and yeah, and now like I am so burnt out on it, my body's like, fuck you, we are not doing this shit anymore. Anytime I like ride, my body just hurts so bad, and it's kind of like it's not COVID, I swear. It's kind of like I don't know, I've always wanted to like put on some decent muscle, but going to the skate park has always prevented me from that. It's always kept me too thin because of how much cardio I'm doing on a daily basis. So like basically, if you go to the skate park for an hour or two a day, which is what I did for the last decade, I retired like 2 years ago, basically you have no chance of building muscle. Like, your gains are out the window because of how many calories you burn. There's always going to be a deficiency in your calories. So now that I am not going to the skate park or really doing any sort of like extreme sports activities anymore, like it's not summer yet. Once the summer comes around, I'll be doing it. But I'm just taking a break and letting my body heal because I have this knee problem right now and I'm not sure what it is. I think I tore my ACL a while ago and I never went to get it fixed because I never go to the doctor because I don't like the doctor because I didn't have insurance for a really long time, and then I don't really want to go and find out that I have a torn ACL, and then I don't really want to get surgery in case I do have it. So I'm just kind of like not getting it checked out anyways, which is kind of like probably not the smartest thing to do, but I don't really care too much. My knee works good enough right now. Anyway, so we're probably gonna do some flips later, but yeah, it's rare for me to even go to the skate parks anymore, just because I don't know, I'm burnt out on it. It's too dangerous. You fall one time going like 15 miles an hour or doing a flip or something, and it's like, oh, so detrimental compared to when I was like 16 years old. Anyways, if you guys haven't yet, please consider liking this video. It greatly helps on my channel and lets me know that you guys enjoy this content. And also, subscribe if you guys haven't. And I've never asked this before, but tap that notification bell because apparently it's really important. And someone told me the other day that I should tell people that because otherwise it doesn't even show you my videos. I think it does. I don't know. Anyways, I think it's just like this extra step that people take. And also, for the question of the day, comment down below if you guys have any tattoos or if you have a bunch of tattoos. Personally, just let me know your favorite tattoo if you have a bunch. Favorite tattoo, but my question that I'm asking that is because I'm trying to decide what I want to do with the rest of my arm. Like, I have this big ass lion on my arm and I'm not sure. I kind of want to keep it like nature like and do like kind of want to show like my patriotism for the country and do like an eagle or something like that. Kind of, I don't want an American flag, but I do want to like American pride kind of vibe, you know. And I also want to keep it kind of like animals or nature stuff. You guys probably have never seen this, but I have a gigantic tattoo on my back, and it's basically my childhood, all the things that I did growing up. But anyways, on to the topic of the day. I wanted to talk about follow-up with deactivation because I see this comment all the time, and it's probably because one of my most popular videos is I got fired from Doordash, which is totally true. They fired me. And so I just wanted to kind of follow up on what happened and why DoorDash fired me and why they didn't fire me and let me stay on the platform. So basically, in, I think it was like September or so. No. It was when I filed for unemployment. So I think it was in August. What happened was DoorDash redid my background check and they found out that I had a reckless driving ticket on my record from 5 years ago. It was literally 4 years and 11 months, and which means it falls off in a month from that time that they redid my background check. So they sent me a letter saying that they were gonna deplatform me and take me off of the DoorDash app, and I was like, yo, blah blah blah. I explained the whole situation. I was like, hey, this is a reckless driving ticket that the only reason I didn't fight it was because it was in Ohio and I didn't live in Ohio, and I got pulled over. I had one glass of wine, and the cop basically was he was a highway patrol, but he was parked outside of a bar, and he was just following people leaving from the bar. And I had one glass of wine, and I blew exactly the legal limit, which is 0.08. And he basically gave me so my friend who I was with was super drunk, and he basically gave me a DUI test. I passed everything, and then at the very end, I did the breathalyzer, and I blew up 0.08, and he was like, oh, yep, looks like I'm gonna have to take you in. And I'm like, why? I had I was so confused because I was basically completely sober. And like, I mean, like, I'm always on top of drinking water and stuff because I didn't feel even remotely drunk at all. And I was like, there's no way. But 0.08, that's literally essentially like drinking one beer. So what happened was DoorDash deplatformed me. I wrote this letter back, and apparently they had already deplatformed me, and they told me the process already started. And then I was just like, okay. Like, I just kind of waited around every single day for probably like a month. I was like, all right, maybe this will be my last day door dashing. Maybe this will be my last day door dashing. I don't know. Like, how long is it going to take for these guys to deactivate me? And like, the only thing I could say is it never happened. They never deactivated me. So here I am. It's been about 8 or 9 months, and they never deactivated me. So that's the story of my deactivation on DoorDash. But yeah, I don't know. I was kind of like confused because I was waiting. I mean, if you really look at the details of the ticket and stuff, which hopefully they did, and they're like, oh, okay. Or by the time they even got around to deactivating me, it had already fallen off the record because it happened in August of 2015, which means like August 2020 is when it falls off, and August 2020 is when I filed for unemployment. So they probably eventually were like, oh, okay, I guess it's not there anymore, which means maybe that's why Grubhub didn't hire me, and now I can reapply. And because they told me to, there's a hair on the lens. They told me to reapply and talk to Checker because apparently my background check didn't come in, so that's why Grubhub won't hire me. But maybe I can just be like, hey guys, what's going on here? Like, how come my background didn't check? Just redo it again, and then they'll be like, oh, yeah, this is weird. I don't know why. It seems like you have a clean record, sir. Hopefully, in my opinion, I think they'll hire me. I really want to get on the Grubhub platform just so I have like a backup plan. Someone told me, I think her name was Jen, I think it was Jen, told me the other day that someone else got deplatformed for putting their, I don't know why I say deplatformed. I feel like it's deactivated. Someone else got deactivated for putting their what do you call it? Referral link for DoorDash in the description, and I'm so confused as to why that would be a bad thing. Like, it doesn't make any sense because, like, if I'm helping them get more dashers onto the platform, why would it matter? I don't know. It doesn't make any sense. But supposedly, this other YouTube person got deactivated for putting their... It's not COVID, I swear. Someone else got deactivated for putting their link in the description. I don't know. No one's ever even used that link, and really, I don't really care that much because you only get like $50, and that's after they do like 200 deliveries or something crazy like that. So basically, like, they make it like almost impossible for people to get this referral thing. And plus, I used my friend's link to sign up for Postmates, and he never got paid. So who knows? Maybe it's just kind of a scheme that they're running, or there's like some little tiny. It's like referred person must do 200 deliveries within 1 week. I don't know. It's probably some dumb shit like that. But comment down below. Have you guys ever gotten a referral or referral money or any of that stuff? Because I personally haven't. And you would think that someone who has like hundreds of thousands of views on their YouTube channel, someone would use the description, you know? Like, I feel like me, of all people, should have at least one referral, but I had 0. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any referrals, or if you guys use someone's referral code and then it worked for them. Because, I don't know. It's kind of weird. I don't know. I don't know anyone who's ever gotten that, and it seems like they advertise it so much, but I feel like there's this little tiny, they put it in like 1-point font, just very small at the bottom. You have no chance of getting these referral dollars. I don't know, something like that. Anyway, so that's my story of getting deplatformed or deactivated, whatever you want to call it. If you guys enjoy these videos of my little car vlogs, let me know in the comments down below. Today's video does not have any dashing, unfortunately, but I want to thank you guys for tuning into the channel, and I super appreciate all of you guys who watch the videos and comment, and like, I kind of like the idea that my videos are more of kind of a forum. Like, we're having very productive conversations in a lot of these YouTube videos, and I try to engage with pretty much all of the comments, unless you guys write some bullshit, like your videos suck or something like that, which I just delete them. Yeah, so I do enjoy like having kind of a forum, I think forum's the right word, forum, where people are having like good discussions and stuff, and the videos try to stay informational. Today's video wasn't informational even the slightest, but it was a fun little story, I guess, of my deplatforming. Anyways, so if you guys haven't yet, please consider subscribing and like this video if you guys haven't, and I guess tap the notification bell. And also go to offaxisacrobatics.com and get yourself some ninja shoes. These are actually called the Ninjas. That's my footwear company. And use the discount code OFFAXISTANNER for 30% off. Or if you're watching this video before March 1st, 2021, use the discount code TannersYouTube, and that'll get you the shoes for $35. We're just doing a quick special sale because I need to clear out some inventory in my shipping container, and because we have a bunch of new shoes coming, and I don't want to get a second shipping container. So anyways, that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.